In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz in Canva. If you want to create an interactive trivia quiz, a simple educational questionnaire, or a polished presentation style quiz without struggling with messy layouts, Canva makes the process much easier. Instead of manually rebuilding every page from scratch, you can use Canva's presentation format, alignment guides, grouping tools, and simple animations to keep everything organized and professional. To get started, open Canva in your web browser, sign into your account, and stay on the main dashboard. From there, click on Presentation to open a clean widescreen canvas. This gives you a solid 16 by 9 layout that works well for quizzes. Next, begin building your page flow by clicking Add Page until you have all the sections you need. That usually includes an intro page, your question pages, a correct answer feedback page, and a final score summary page. Setting up the full structure first helps you stay organized before you begin designing. Once your pages are ready, go to your first question page and open the text tab from the left sidebar. Click Add a Heading and place the text box near the center of the page. Type your first question, then choose a bold, readable font from the top toolbar. As you move the text box, Canva will show guidelines to help snap everything neatly into place. This is helpful for keeping your quiz visually balanced. Now it's time to create the answer choices. Open the Elements panel, go into Shapes, and insert a rounded rectangle. This will act as your answer button. Change the color to something clear and high contrast, then resize it into a wide horizontal button. After that, add a text box on top of the shape and type your first answer option. Once both parts are in place, group them together so they move as one unit. With your first answer button finished, duplicate it using Ctrl and D on Windows or Command and D on Mac. Drag the duplicate downward to create even spacing, then repeat the process until you have all your answer choices. As you move them, Canva's alignment guides will appear again, helping you keep every option lined up cleanly. If you want to make the quiz feel more engaging, select your answer option groups and click Animate in the top toolbar. Choose a clean effect like pop, fade, or stomp. These animation styles help direct attention without making the page feel distracting. Finally, preview the full presentation to check the spacing, alignment, and overall flow. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard or PDF Print if you want a printable quiz, or MP4 video if you want to export the animated version. Then click Download to save your finished quiz. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.